The Smoothie Diet is a revolutionary new life transformation system that not only guarantees to help you lose weight and feel better than you have in years, it also promises to eliminate more body fat, faster than anything you've tried before. This is not just a big book of smoothie recipes. You're getting the same proven 3-week weight loss and health improvement program I share with my private clients. The secret that makes the Smoothie Diet so effective is the custom 3-week weight loss schedule. All the smoothies are given in a very specific sequence and frequency to maximize your results. For example, the nutrient and ingredient ratios vary week to week to make sure the weight keeps coming off and stays off. I've used my knowledge as a health coach and what I've learned from all my clients to make sure this program delivers rapid results. I have meticulously researched specific ingredients and nutrient properties to maximize the effectiveness of this program. All you have to do is replace certain meals with the smoothie recipes I provide and then watch as the pounds melt effortlessly off your body and your energy levels skyrocket. If you're looking for a complete life transformation over the next 3 weeks, then you're in the right place. Whether you need to lose the last 5 to 10 pounds or you want to get rid of 40 pounds or more, this will work for you. This diet is extremely flexible, so even though this program is 21 days, you can continue using it for as long as you want to lose as much weight as you want, and I explain exactly how. Dramatic weight loss is only one of the numerous benefits you'll get from this diet. How would you like more energy, clearer skin, better sleep, sharper thinking, stabilized blood sugar, and more? You are only 21 days away. Over 36 delicious fat-melting meal replacement smoothie recipes. Shopping lists for each week to make it super simple to get everything you need. Smoothie making tips and prep guide to make sure there is zero trial and error and to ensure you spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your new confidence and energy levels. Join here 21-day detox smoothie diet plan.